Hey guys, hello guys. So you're probably wondering who these two people are, who these lovely gentlemen are, or So these are my cousins. Say hello to the camera.
My name is Alia.
And your name is
Arisha.
Don't be afraid. It's not like there's 1,000 people watching you. Okay. Alright guys, so what are your thoughts on being here, huh? Say something.
Nothing?
Why? You wanted to be here, so?
I want to make a video.
You want to make a video? So alright, see all these cars, huh? Which one's your favorite, guys? Pick one. Pick like 3 cars. Pick 3 cars that are your favorite. I'm gonna choose 2.
I'm gonna go check which car.
Or Liberty Walk. I'm gonna choose a Liberty Walk. I'm gonna choose a Liberty Walk, the Silverado. I like the Mazda one.
I don't know. This is a hard choice.
I've got my cars. One more.
I don't know what cars I want.
There's some more over here. There's a lot of other cars here too.
This is a hard choice anyways. I will just take this.
Alright guys, so what cars have you picked?
I pick these 3.
Alright. Why did you pick them?
This one, the style of it is very nice.
Yeah.
These ones they look like I like them because they're kind of they look sporty, and I like sports and things.
Yeah. So alright. Okay, what have you got, Alia?
I got a pink car because I like pink.
Alright. Yeah. This is going good.
And I don't know what else car to pick. But
She got the Nissan. She got the Jaguar Pro, like the product or whatever. I don't know. So alright, the cars I picked the Toon Silverado because this car just looks so small and just looks funny. It looks cool. And also I choose the Liberty Walk Nissan because it just it looks nice. Pretty cool sporty car. Yeah. And then after I chose the Miata because it's my favorite car.
And I choose this one because it looks pretty.
Yeah.
Golden yellowish color.
And you guys, 2018 Dodge Durango.
Guys, what do you think about this? Okay, take a look at
It
this.
says not for 3 years old.
You don't want no baby eating that, you know?
Look at this weird face. Look at it.
Alright guys, what do you think about this? What are your thoughts on this?
Pick your favorite Godzilla. This is my favorite Godzilla character because it looks pretty.
I like this guy because he has a big mouth.
Oh, I like that one. That looks so funny.
I like this guy because you can also take him off the stand and you can just have him like this.
I like this because I like monkey gorilla, and
I like this guy because he's so small and he also has a base so you can just kind of put him on here.
I am the monkey gorilla. No one will stop me. Ah! How?
Yeah. Oh, it's getting a little crowded. Yeah.
Oh, it can bend his arms. It's very flexible.
Yes.
Put your favorites here.
Yo, it's my favorite. I like this guy. I like how clear he is. I like his back. Look at his back. It's like kind of like clear. I like that. Pretty cool.
Look at this. It looks scary. Look at. It has a long tail. I think this is. Oh, and I like this. It's so cute, and it has a giant mouth.
Yeah. I chose this guy. I like him because he's just. I just like him because
Is he ripped?
No, he's not ripped. He's okay.
I'm ripped.
I like this. It's little and it's cute.
I like this because look at the beautiful color.
The mouth is really detailed.
Yeah, just shove your finger in there. Just shove your finger in there. You go like. Why don't you just like shove his finger?
Look
in there?
at this.
Space Godzilla. You can also come off too. Yeah, base plate.
Look at this minion on a duck. I'm swimming.
Minion. It's alright. Alright, you can just stick them back on. Where do I
Okay, that's
stick them? Oh, let me stick them on.
His feet looks like hands.
Yeah, because he's gorilla.
So these are the ones that we picked as our favorites.
Yeah. And I also like Mr.'s hand sanitizer because he's like just so cool.
Yeah, and I'm just gonna get a squirt.
Yeah, make sure no COVID. And I'll get some sanitizer. I'm just joking though.
Hello.
I want some too. Give me. Thank you, Mr. Hand Sanitizer. You're very nice.
It's a strong smell.
No, it isn't. It smells perfectly fine to me. Let's put these guys back to their home because, you know, they want to go back home. Put them back in their houses where they live. They live back here. They're just gonna sit here. Alright. Alright, guys. Let's put these here. But you guys, it's just in the video. Just kind of wanted to, you know, my cousins just wanted to be on the channel, just see and say hello. But you guys, yeah, in the video, hope you liked it. Yeah. Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
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 And make sure to subscribe.
Yeah.